Every day I wake, it's not the sunshine, but I strive to change the world by always being kind. People look at me crazy, think I'm out of my mind, but I smile back at them and insist I'm just fine. I strive to keep my head up, even in tough binds, and transform situations like Optimus Prime. I remember my first crush, her name was Alice. Y'all know Alice? I don't know if you know her, but she was so cute to me. Besides being pretty, she was good at math, and she was a hall monitor. I was like, girl, I love responsibility. You can lead me anywhere you want right now. So I would write Alice that note and leave it for her. And she left me a note back that said a few words that I dreaded hearing. Let's just be friends. I know. I went to sleep that night thinking about how I'm gonna be a teenager. I'm finally gonna go from 12 to 13. I'm gonna be a man. I'm dreaming of cake. I'm dreaming of presents. I'm dreaming of the party that's gonna happen, how we're gonna get down. And so I'm probably like sleeping like this, you know? And at one point, somebody wakes me up. My sister Kenan shakes me awake. She says, Kemy, something happened to Poppy. That's our dad. Something happened to Poppy. And I've had nightmares before, so I'm just like, whatever, this ain't real. Trying to get back to my cake party, trying to nuzzle in tight. She's like, Kemy, no, wake up for real. Something happened to Poppy. We're all here. We're in the living room watching it right now. Come on. And she ran out of the room. And it became real. This was real life. This wasn't a dream. Uncle Ben told Spider-Man, with great power comes great responsibility. So I think with a great voice, we must have great accountability. A great voice, we gotta have great accountability. And accountability can mean a lot of things, but to me, accountability is the ability for people to count on you. So you can be counted to be true to your word. You can be counted to be true to your character. You can be counted on to use your voice when it matters, because your voice matters. There's so many people who'd rather give in to self-doubt and sell out in order to fit in. And fitting in is fine. There's times where that's appropriate, but not when it silences your voice, not when it shuts you down from being who you can be. I know as a middle schooler, I believed in things like love and kindness. And Character Strong really focused on this idea of making kindness normal. And I think we can agree that love and kindness are helpful things. So I don't necessarily know if it's about talking about love and kindness, but maybe sometimes it's better to talk about what gets in our way of kindness. When I was your age, I was afraid of being judged. I was afraid that people would think that I was weird. I was afraid of comparing myself to other people. I felt like I was a zombie. I was walking through life living, but emotionally I felt so dead. Emotionally I felt numb. I only had two emotions at the time. It was either deep depression and sadness, or I was pissed. I was mad. Mad at this drunk driver for making a decision that ruined so many other people's lives. Mad at the world thinking, why do good people die? That doesn't even make sense. And also I was mad at myself. I spent so much time as a middle schooler just so focused on getting a girlfriend or being cool that I didn't even spend as much time as I wanted to with my dad. And when people get taken that quickly, we have all these regrets. I was so mad at myself for not actually, I would trade 1,000,000 birthdays right now to just go back and stop whatever I was doing, whatever I thought was so important, like being on the screens or being in front of a TV. I wish I would have stopped that to just spend some quality time with him. You are bigger than your mistakes. that you are stronger than the pain that you're feeling, that inside of each and every one of you, there is a rock star waiting for your permission to come out and shine. But that rock star only shines or shines best when you're using your gifts to help others and leave the world in a better state than when you got here.
We really enjoyed having Kemy come and talk to our kids. It was amazing how silent and engaged they were. We don't usually see that in assemblies, but they were really hanging on every word that he shared, that he rapped, that he sang.
These days, people are hungry and starving, searching for something that grows but not in the garden. The world used to be a painting illuminating light, but now it's dull, fading out to gray and black and white. People have forgotten love like we have amnesia, but love is the color to transform from sepia. It's kind of like doing the mural, painting the pictures full of colors of a beautiful world. And love is the thing that resides inside, and it shines out my eyes every time I smile. Sometimes when you're kind, people don't understand, but it touches them in a way that no hand can. Give someone a flower and maybe they won't get it, but maybe they'll smile and never forget it. This is the good fight. You can help battle people's demons, even if those people haven't found things to believe in. With love, we can change the world. This is it. Love, we can change the world. Come on, you got this. With love, we can change the world. With love, we can change the world. Let me hear you. With love, we can change the world. 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 Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Go, 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 go. I got you. Bam, 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 bam.